Okay, here we have the Prime Extreme Row. So a couple things that I want to point out on this. If you come over here, the number that's associated with the weights will show where the movement will be. So mid-range, meaning it will be heaviest in the mid-range, you'll go to peg 1. End range, peg 2. Beginning range, peg 3. To get a variation, middle end, you'll load it this way. Middle beginning, you'll load it this way. And as you can see on the outside of these, it will have the corresponding number, 1, 2, 3. So you can use that as your friendly user guide. To adjust the seat, you'll pull this, adjust it accordingly. To adjust the angle and how much length you need, you'll pull this out. So if you're a little taller like me, you'll pull it a little further out. You want to be seated here, you can do wide grip. So you'll just grab it up top, and you can do upper back. If you want lats, you'll just grab here in the neutral position and drive up and back, bringing that elbow through the hip. And that is the Prime Extreme Row.